Hi everyone! I'm Melissa, one of the CEOs of Aptitutor. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a tutoring session on our website. This is under the Tutoring tab, and here's a quick blurb about tutoring sessions. Here are the subjects that we currently offer tutoring in. As you can see, there are a few subjects with several different levels, including algebra, US history, and the languages. So, when you sign up, please make sure that you specify which level you would like tutoring in. Now, let's move on to the actual sign-up. This function, powered by Calendly, gives you all the available slots for tutoring. You start by clicking on your preferred date. I'll choose June 20th. As you can see, we have all these time slots open for that date. I would like to sign up for 3 p.m. And that brings us to the details portion of the sign-up. Enter your name and email. If you want to be tutored with others, you may click Add Guests and enter their emails separately. It says you may add 10 guests, but for our purposes, please only add 1 to 2 extra guests. Keep in mind, all students in a tutoring session will be tutored in the same one topic. Now, all you have to do is select your grade or rising grade. These two questions are a bit similar. For the first, you enter the subject you would like tutoring in. Remember to specify the level. Then, in the second, you enter the specific topic within the subject. This following question mainly applies if you've already done a session with a tutor and you want to work with them again. If not, just leave it blank. And finally, the last two questions are just a way to get to know you as a student and as a person. Tell us about yourself in 2 to 3 sentences. It's pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is tell us about your life in and out of school, what you like to do, what you don't like to do, etc. In the second and final question, you can share anything that might get your tutor better prepared for your session. It's optional, so if you don't want to share anything, just leave it blank. When you're done, just click Schedule Event. And that's it. Thanks for signing up for a tutoring session with Aptitutor. Please consider donating.